How to fix Instagram broadcast channel not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix broadcast channel not working on Instagram. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. If not, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Once you launch this app, tap the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Search bar at top of the screen and then type in Instagram. When you get the Instagram app, you need to check whether there is updates or not. If there is, you need to select the update button and update it to the latest version. Once you follow this step, you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, follow the second step, that is turning on the professional account on Instagram. For that, launch Instagram. Go to profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then you have to choose account type and tools under for professionals. Tap switch to professional account and then select continue for this following pages. Here you need to describe about your page and then select the down button. Once you wait patiently, select whether you want to create creator or business account and tap the next button. Tap not now in order to not to steer logins using account center. You need to set a professional account and once complete or close your Instagram completely. Once you do that, again launch Instagram and check whether your Instagram broadcast channel not showing problem has been resolved or not. If not, lastly you need to report the problem to Instagram team. Go to profile icon at bottom right corner and the three-line icon at top right corner. After that, scroll to the bottom, tap help and tap report a problem. Report problem without checking and then tap include and continue. Here you need to explain your issue of Instagram broadcast channel not showing, and after that you need to submit by tapping on the same button. After that, your Instagram broadcast channel not showing problem will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.